A tiny AI stock is quietly building technology that could end up inside the future of smart cities across America, and almost nobody in retail is paying attention to it yet. While investors keep chasing trillion-dollar AI companies, this small company is targeting something much bigger: real-world infrastructure. Artificial intelligence is no longer just about chatbots or image generators. The next phase of AI is moving directly into roads, highways, surveillance, and transportation systems, and one tiny company may already be positioning itself inside that massive shift. But here's where things get interesting. This company is not trying to compete with giant AI software businesses. Instead, it is building AI systems that can identify vehicles, analyze traffic patterns, and help cities make decisions in real time. Now imagine what happens if governments fully embrace smart infrastructure over the next decade. Imagine millions of vehicles generating data every second. And imagine a small company already working inside that market before Wall Street fully notices. Because if this company lands larger contracts or major partnerships, the stock could suddenly get massive attention from traders. And historically, when tiny AI stocks begin trending, the moves can become explosive very fast. Some have surged hundreds of % during previous hype cycles. But before revealing the stock name, you need to understand why this market opportunity could become enormous. Because this is much bigger than one company. This is about the future of transportation itself. Every major city in the world struggles with traffic congestion, accidents, and outdated roadway systems. Governments spend billions trying to improve traffic flow and public safety, but many systems still rely on outdated hardware and slow data collection. That creates a huge opportunity for artificial intelligence, because AI can analyze roadway information instantly and far more efficiently than humans, and that is exactly where this company enters the picture. Their technology focuses on vehicle recognition, roadway intelligence, and transportation analytics. In simple words, they are trying to create smarter roads using artificial intelligence. And the company wants cities, highways, and transportation systems connected through live data. Now think about how valuable that could become in the future. Autonomous vehicles and smart transportation systems all depend on accurate real-time roadway information. Without data, smart transportation simply cannot function efficiently. This company believes its AI systems can help solve that problem. Their platforms are designed to monitor vehicles, analyze roads, and provide information to governments and transportation agencies. Instead of relying only on humans, their systems use machine learning and computer vision technology. That alone already sounds like a massive future industry. But here's the part many investors may not fully understand yet. Governments worldwide are pushing heavily towards smart city development. Cities want AI-powered traffic management, improved emergency response, and better roadway safety. And companies positioned early inside this trend could benefit massively if adoption accelerates. But obviously, none of this guarantees success. Small AI companies are risky, and many never become profitable. But sometimes the biggest stock market winners start as tiny speculative companies almost nobody cares about, and that is exactly why some traders are beginning to watch this stock more closely. Now, before revealing the company name, let's talk about why small-cap AI stocks become so explosive during hype cycles. Because understanding investor psychology here is extremely important. When Wall Street gets excited about a major trend, money floods aggressively into anything connected to that sector. We saw it happen with electric vehicles and blockchain stocks. And now we are seeing it again with artificial intelligence. Eventually, traders begin searching for smaller hidden companies with lower market caps, because smaller stocks can move much faster with less buying pressure. That is why small-cap AI stocks suddenly become viral online. Retail traders begin hunting for undiscovered opportunities, and momentum investors pile in looking for explosive upside potential. Now imagine what happens if a tiny company operating in AI-powered smart infrastructure suddenly announces a large government deal. Or imagine analysts starting to discuss smart transportation as the next major AI market. The attention alone could dramatically increase trading volume. And that finally brings us to the company we are talking about today. The stock is called Wrecker Systems. Ticker symbol REKR. This company focuses heavily on AI-driven roadway intelligence and transportation analytics. Their systems are designed to identify vehicles, process roadway data, and improve traffic management. And they are trying to position themselves directly inside the growing smart infrastructure industry. Now, the reason some traders find this company interesting is because it sits directly between several fast-growing industries: artificial intelligence, smart cities, transportation technology, and public safety. And that combination alone can attract speculative investors during strong AI momentum cycles. The company has worked on technologies involving vehicle recognition and roadway monitoring systems. Their AI can reportedly analyze traffic patterns, identify vehicles, and provide real-time roadway insights, and governments may increasingly need this type of technology in the future. Another important point is government contracts, because recurring contracts can create long-term revenue opportunities and improve credibility. And if a small company starts securing larger transportation deals, investors often begin pricing in future expansion very quickly. But we also need to discuss the risks because this is absolutely not a guaranteed success story. Like many small growth companies, Wrecker Systems still faces financial pressure, profitability concerns, and strong competition, and larger tech companies could eventually enter the same market. There is also the reality that government spending can be unpredictable. Contracts may get delayed, budgets can change, and adoption timelines may move slower than expected. And that uncertainty creates volatility for stocks connected to public infrastructure. Still, many traders continue searching for speculative AI companies because the upside potential can sometimes become enormous, especially when the company operates inside a futuristic industry with strong long-term narratives, and smart infrastructure definitely fits that description. Now think about the direction the world is moving overall. Cities are becoming more connected, vehicles are becoming smarter, and artificial intelligence is entering nearly every part of daily life. And if transportation systems eventually rely heavily on AI-driven roadway intelligence, companies already operating in this space could benefit significantly. That does not mean every company wins, but it explains why investors are watching this sector closely. And another reason traders monitor Wrecker Systems is because AI remains one of the strongest narratives in the market right now. Whenever a company successfully connects itself to a powerful AI narrative, investor attention can increase dramatically. And because Wrecker Systems still has a relatively small market capitalization, even moderate buying pressure could create strong price swings, which is exactly why momentum traders are watching closely. So is Wrecker Systems an overlooked AI infrastructure opportunity before Wall Street fully notices it? Or is it simply another risky speculative stock riding the artificial intelligence wave? That is the big question investors are trying to answer right now. But one thing is certain, as AI expands deeper into real-world infrastructure, companies connected to smart transportation will continue getting attention from traders and investors. And Wrecker Systems has positioned itself directly inside that conversation. If this company secures stronger growth, major partnerships, or larger government contracts, the market could react aggressively. But if execution struggles continue, the stock could remain highly volatile, which is why risk management is extremely important with speculative small-cap stocks like this. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI-powered smart city stocks could become one of the next major investment trends? And do you believe Wrecker Systems has the potential to become a serious player in that future? Comment below with your thoughts. And if you enjoy discovering hidden AI stocks before they become mainstream, make sure to subscribe, because the next explosive stock opportunity could already be forming right now.